Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this error, fail to start server, component type in arch type cannot be null, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Hytale's folder. So just open up your start menu, right here run, and then right tab data, go into roaming, and then go into Hytale, and then you're going to go into user data, and then you're going to go into mods. And here you're going to have all of your mods. So now what I'll suggest you to do is just either move all of the mods to another location, so in another drive, or just delete all of your mods, because the error that you're facing, that error occurs when your mods are having trouble with the game. So just, I'll say, move your mods to any other folder and try to just add one mod at a time, and that way you can check which mod is having issues by the process of elimination. And once you're done with that, now you should be able to play your game. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.